Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. Let's eat it up on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the ice cream screen recorder. But we're not going to be focusing on the ice cream screenshot. So what we're going to be focusing on is this dude right here, the ice cream screen recorder. And one of my friends have asked me to do this before, so yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna double click on it, and then you'll see like all the stuff, like all the videos you have captured. But I can clear history, and then it'll look like this, which is what you guys should be looking if you guys have never ever used the ice cream screen recorder before. But we're gonna go to capture video, and as you can see, there's different modes you can pick from. There's full screen, custom area, last area, area auto detection, and task, and but we're gonna just focus on these three. So last area is like the last area I recorded in, which is like this. But if I don't want it, I can just like size it down. Okay, and then size it to whatever I'm like trying to record. Don't mind this app right here. That's the app that I'm currently using, which I would say I would recommend more. This is like my first time using it, but I can tell that it's like already better than the ice cream screen recorder. It's just like so much easier to use. So yeah, after I do that, I can press record here, or I can like draw. So like I like this color of blue, I can like do a heart. Okay, don't mind me, that's a really ugly heart. Oh, and by the way, by the time this video will be posted, it's going to be Chinese Christmas. So happy Chinese Christmas to all of those that are watching it on Chinese Christmas, because I'm not vlogging this on Chinese Christmas, but like I'm gonna be uploading it on Chinese Christmas, I hope, or I'll just premiere it on Chinese Christmas, which is the 21st of December. So happy Chinese Christmas for all of those who are watching on the 21st. Happy Christmas. Happy Chinese Christmas, I mean. So I could draw, and I could like draw squares, I could draw circles. Oops. I could draw circles. I could like put text, like I could put text in. Okay, maybe we put it in the wrong spot. But after we do that, we can press record down here on the very left side, and just like that you will be recording. And as you can see here, you only have 5 minutes to record, which I would say is pretty good, because then it'll limit you to not put in a lot of detail, which is what I always do, and it just takes up so much time. So I think that this screen recorder is pretty good, but I rather use this screen recorder. So yeah, this screen recorder, you're just gonna do that. And then over here is your mic. You can like put your mic to 0, or you can put it all the way up, or you can put it like here, depending on what you're trying to do. And then this is your device audio, which means like if you're planning on shooting a game video, like a gaming video, like you can on this to full. But if you're not planning to do this like a gaming video, you can put it to low. But this is basically like if you're watching a video, it'll like capture all the sound. And then this is webcam, which obviously I'm not. Okay, I'm going to on the webcam, but I'm gonna cover my camera because y'all know can't show my face. So when webcam's on, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna be in the it's gonna be in the circle. But there we go, like you guys can see that right there, and I can just like off webcam like that. So yeah, and so I'm already recording, and I could pause the recording and like draw more stuff or whatever. I can draw, or literally just pause the video and then I can unpause it like this. And after that, if you're done recording, you can press stop right here and it'll save at the very right side of your computer, and the video will pop up somewhere here soon. But yeah, that is how you use the ice cream screen recorder. The ice cream screenshot, which is this guy right here, we will be talking about it in the next video. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and maybe happy Chinese Christmas. I might be vlogging this, like, I'm not vlogging this on Christmas, on Chinese Christmas. I'm vlogging this on the 19th 12th, but I think I will upload it on the 21st. We'll see. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe down below and like this video so you guys can get more of these videos. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!